Then today we are discussing the topic linear demand curve. Here we can see a linear demand curve. In this diagram, on x-axis we are representing quantity demanded and y-axis we are representing price. And this linear demand or linear demand curve represents the equation dP is equal to A minus BP. dP, here quantity demanded, that is equal to A minus BP. Here A is vertical intercept and minus B is slope. Here slope is always negative. Why? There exists opposite relationship between price and quantity demanded. That is why here slope is always negative. Then we want to discuss types of goods. The first one, that is normal goods. In the case of normal goods, when income of the consumer increases, demand also increases, and when income decreases, demand for these commodities decreases. That means there exists a direct relationship between income of the consumer and demand for this type of commodities. Okay, for example, clothes, TV, refrigerator, etc. We know when income of the consumer increases, they will purchase this type of commodities more. When income decreases, these commodities demand also decreases. That means income of the consumer and demand for normal goods moves in the same direction. The next topic, that is inferior goods. Inferior goods are those goods when income of the consumer increases, the demand for these commodities decreases, and when income of the consumer decreases, demand for these commodities increases. So there exists a inverse relationship between price and quantity demanded of these commodities. For example, kerosene stove is inferior to gas stove, and travel by ordinary bus is inferior to travel by car. Then next type of commodity, that is given goods. Given goods are exceptions to law of demand, which means when price increases, quantity demanded of this type of commodities rises and vice versa. That means when price increases, demand for these commodities increases, and when price decreases, demand for these commodities also decreases. In case of given goods, income effect is stronger than substitution effect.